Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a transactions management system or a payment tracker management system. So here you have a two search functionalities by the shop name or by the client name. So when you click on this shop name, and you will see all the shops available in your database, so you just need to select any comfort. So now you can see auto suggest this comfort and just select on this, and when you click on this search icon, so you will see your data is successfully fetched here. And now you can see here the total amount for this shop, and the total credit of this shop, and the total debit of this shop, and the current balance for this shop is here. So here we have the option of print functionality. So when you click on this print, so you can see here the logo of your company, the name of your company, email, and the authorized signatures, and the remaining data tables and the remaining data fetched about this shop. You can easily print out on your A4 size paper like that. Okay, so if you want to add any transactions, so you just need to click on this add entry. The shop name is automatically comes, so you can enter the application number here, the client name, and the amount he want to debit or credit. You can select here the credit or debit as you want, and remarks if you want to add any kind of remarks, and you can enter, for example, payment received, and you just simply click on this save button. So now your data is successfully saved. So now your credit slip is being successfully generated with this serial number, this application number, this shop name, this client name, this amount is this, and the type is this. You can also take a print for this like that. Okay, so this is system. So now you can see here the data is updated real time for this web application. So if you want to search payment details, and if you want to if you want to check our transactions in your company, in your database for a particular client, so you can simply remove the shop name from here. Simply remove the shop name from here and enter the client name here, and simply select or click on this search icon. When you click on this search, so now you can able to see only that client. That client is related to that two shops, the Pasha Trading Company and the Comfort Food Meal. So now you can see here for that particular client, you can have total amount 2961, and the total credit is this, and the total debit is this. So now you can see here the remaining hairs. Okay, so this is a total this is a data for a particular client name. Okay, so you can see here easily. Yeah, 2961 2700 is the debit. Okay, I see why the error comes, because the I will see the data is not comes because here you can see here the type is not here. So we need to enter the type for the debit and credit. So make sure the data will be fetched successfully. So we just need to wash a trading, and we just need to enter the add, control F, control V, and we just select here, and just copy this and paste it here. And now I am click on this search icon. So now you can able to see all the things perfectly. Now the credit, so the current balance is this, the total credit is this, and the total debit is this. So this is the system. And if you want to take a print, you can simply take a print like that. So now let's see its sheet database. So in sheet, A column is the serial number, B column is specified for the application number, in C column the shop name, in D column the client name. Okay, so in shop name all the clients, you can also add a entry from here with your own shop name and with your own client name if it's not available in your database. So after that, when you search here, for example, I will add a asteroid company here, asteroid company, and I will add my name here, and simply the application number is this, the same, and the 1500, and the credit and the optional is payment received, and click on this save. So when you click on this save, so now you can able to see the receipt is generated. I just close this and enter my asteroid, as Okay, I need to refresh my web app. When I'm going to refresh my web app, so now you can able to see the data is fetched successfully. So I just enter the astoy. So you can see here astoy is in my drop down, and also my name is come here. So I just simply click on this search. So you can see here the data is successfully come for this. The total amount is this, and the total is credit, no debited amount, and the current balance for this customer, for this shop or for this client is 1500. So all the data available in the shop name column and the client name column is comes in the drop down values like that, in drop down suggestions. For example, I just enter the asteroid, so you can see here the asteroid, it comes here in suggestions. Okay, so now the amount here, your amount come in E column, in F column the type comes, and in G column the remarks of your per transactions. Okay, so this is a system. We hope so you like it. The code is available in the description. You can check in the description and enjoy this code free of cost, and test it, and hope so you like it, and use it in your own business. Please do a subscribe button. My English is not well. I am just trying to make my videos in English language on my subscribers request. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in our next video. Before end this video, I want to say that please subscribe our channel and click on this click on this all button. So whenever I posted any kind of video, any kind of web application, so you will able to receive all the notifications on time and watch our videos regularly. So we have posted 1 or 2 videos per week, and in month we are almost upload 8 videos, minimum 6 videos and maximum 8 videos on our channel. And if you want to join a subscriptions to get all the codes available on my channel, so you can simply join that also by contacting us on our WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in the description. You can also click on that and contact us to join for this kind of membership to access all the codes in one time. Okay, so hope so you like it. So this is our XYZ company portal shop and plan transactions management system. So you can easily search, manage, and record transactions for your shops and clients in all in one place. Hope so you like it. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in our next video. Now you can see here the balance is the zero here, so it works properly and efficient for your business. So take care. Meet you in our next